Hey, welcome to Man Cave. So today here we're going to just do a real quick video. It's not going to be anything long. We're going to put some exhaust on looks like a 2019 Ford F150, and I will turn this around here and show you what this thing looks like real quick. So, all right, what we'll do is we get in here, we'll fire this thing up, and we'll get a before sound on it, see what it sounds like. I haven't a clue. It was just dropped off, so exhaust is in the back of the car, so our truck, I should say. So we'll get this out here and we'll get to installing it. So, all right, stay tuned and see what this thing sounds like. All right, well, let's set this thing down here and let's see what it sounds like and get this thing started up. All right. All right, there you go. There's what it sounds like coming in the shop, or well, on a cold start with the factory exhaust that's on it. As you saw there, it comes out the side there. I believe this exhaust that was purchased is, I think it's dual outlets out the side, if I'm not mistaken. There's probably going to be I'm assuming, like I said, I haven't opened this yet, but we'll get into that here in just a second. But I believe it's going to be from the cat back, single exhaust to a Y pipe. I'm sure there's some kind of muffler on it, but we'll get this opened up. Here's the box here. Here's what we're working with. It's an MBRP exhaust system, and let's see what all's in here if we can see it real quick without opening everything and pulling it all out. Let's see what kind of quality. Well, MBRP is usually pretty good. Okay, so it's going to be the black steel, stainless, or whatever, so it looks really nice. All right, well, let's get this out. We'll get it unboxed, and there's a muffler, so yeah, it's going to be a single in, dual out, but we'll get this out, we'll get it on the table, and we'll show you what it looks like. All right, so here's what we're working with. MBRP, and as you can see kind of there in the picture, we're looking at an exit here in front of the tire, dual outlets, and what we're working with is a muffler, a pipe coming from the cat, coming back into a single muffler, dual outlets, and then two black pipes. Going to exit out the side in front of the tire with two black tips. So pretty nice little kit. I'm not sure what he paid for it. I'll try to find out. We'll put that in the description. And but not a bad looking little kit. So, all right, well, let's get this thing up in the air, and we'll start pulling off this factory exhaust. All right, here we go. Underneath the truck. Safety first. We got our jack stands in place. So here's what we're working with. Looks like it's going to come from right here. So we'll get this to zoom out a little bit. We'll come from here. Gonna remove that. Back here to this big old pipe, big old muffler that's on here. Get all this taken off. Over there, get all that taken off. And then we'll come in, attach to this pipe here, this flange. And it looks like it's gonna run, relocate muffler probably somewhere in here if I had to guess. And then it's gonna exit, side exit right here in front of the tire. So, all right, we're gonna get this off. I'm not gonna film all that, just nuts and bolts. It'll fall right off, nothing's welded. And then I'll show you what it looks like without it, and then we'll get the new one installed and show you what it looks like. All right, and just like that, she's out. Like I said, two bolts there. Took those two off the mount onto the frame. Came over, did the same thing there, two on the frame. Then there was one there that's on the frame that now is probably on the ground. Yeah, so yeah, right there on the ground. So without it, there's the exit. New pipe will go in, get it all mocked up. Be no more exit back there. Relocate some stuff, and we'll get it put in. All right, let's see what this thing's gonna sound like. I'm kind of excited to see. Because I know I've got my truck over there. It's a 2015, this is a 2019. And it's just straight piped with kind of an exhaust that sits underneath right here in this area. It's got like I think it's a 12-inch, 3.5-inch tip on it. So it gives it a real good hollow sound. So I'll be curious to see what this sounds like. I think it should sound really good. All right, let's get this going. All right, well, got this on here, this exhaust. Actually looks really good. I like it. My truck has, like I said, the straight pipe. We'll see how this sounds. Maybe something to switch over to, but so this kit is a resonator delete. It should be here. So we got a 3-inch pipe going back to the muffler. And we got a dual out with a black pipe, which I like. I think it looks really good. Tightened up. Right here you use the factory installed mount, which I like. I think that's just really good. So you're able to just slide this back in, as you can see there. And it holds it up there nice and tight. And they exit out the side over here with the tips on it. Now I might have to adjust those a little bit. I'm not real sure what it's gonna look like from up top. But they might have to come in or out a little bit more, not sure yet. But I got them angled just a little bit to kind of give it that, you know, flow with the truck style, but we'll see how if the customer likes it or not. But that's them, that's what they look like, and pretty nice little kit. Right here it does come with a new bracket that you mount there for the outside. And on this one they've tilted the ends, so keeps it from coming off, which is a good style. So all right, well, we'll get this thing set down and get it started up and see how she sounds. All right, we got it down. Let's go over here and give it a start up. See how she sounds. Cold start right here in the shop. See if we can hear it. Not sure how it will sound, but let's see. Actually, the thing sounds really good. I'm sure it's not doing it justice in here on the camera, but that sounds actually really good. Looks good. I like the way it's kind of sitting in. You can just barely see it coming out the side there. So I'm not sure if you can hear me on here, but it sounds really good. But yeah, really nice exhaust. Sounds really good. So, all right, we've got this one running, as you saw a little bit earlier. So what we're going to do with this one running, we're going to go ahead and fire mine up. Mine's a 2015 Ford F150 Coyote motor as well. It's, like I said, it's a straight pipe with a resonator, and it has an exit behind the tire. I'll show you here. It's tucked up under with the stainless steel tip, as you can see there. And she just kind of rides up underneath there. So we'll go ahead and start it and see if we can hear a difference. Definitely a really nice sounding muffler, and we'll go see what it sounds like when we drive it. But, all right, so I thought I'd take it for a little road test, see if we can hear anything a little different in here or not. We're gonna roll with the windows down to start out with, and we will see how it sounds as we give it a little gas. Like I said, pretty nice little kit that it came with. You know, I like the MBRP stuff. I've installed one on a couple of them actually on different gas engines. I've installed one on a diesel engine that I had, and they're good little kits. They come with everything you need. This one did have 2 bolts that were too long. I ended up having to use a spacer, which luckily I had some spacers to use on it. and which made it still look real clean and good, and it tightened it down like it should. So let's see what it sounds like. Yeah, it sounds really good. Real good. That side exhaust exit there in front of the tires looks good. It has a really good clean sound to it. It's not overbearing. And you know, to me, just it's hard to beat that 5.0 engine sound when you got a good exhaust on there. So yeah, it sounds good. All right, well, we'll go ahead and, well, let's see if we can hear it, but if it's pretty loud with these windows up before we end this. So we're doing about, I don't know if you can see that, but we're doing about 42, 45 miles an hour. And we should be, let's see, let's get it up there. Yeah, we should be up in, yeah, we're in 8th gear. So, I mean, hardly any drone at all. And like I said, sitting right there next to that back door, so not too bad. We'll get it up here and see what it sounds like up at about 65. That's with the windows up. But it's not, you know, it's not that bad drone that you just can't just stand there where it just drives you crazy. It sounds real good and clean. It's not real bad on the ears at all. So yeah, on here on the camera, you probably can't even hear it. All right, so there you got it. MBRP exhaust system install on a 2019 Ford F150. You know, if you watch my channel, I've done a few of these exhausts on Mustang. I did one on my truck that we did a little bit of comparison on. That one's not on the channel, but I did do that one as well. But you know, I enjoy putting these exhaust systems on these cars. It's not hard. Anybody can do it. You don't have to have a lift to do this job. But it does make it easier, sure. Only thing you would have to do different is take that factory exhaust off. You wouldn't be able to remove it in one whole piece because you need the height to get the curve to bring that pipe down. So you just have to cut it in half. But I mean, you got to cut this MBRP pipe anyways to fit, depending on the length of your vehicle. So. But anyways, hey, it was an easy install, not bad. Sounded really good. I think the customer's going to be real happy with it. And like I said, that's a nice little exhaust system for your F150 at an affordable price. I'm not real sure on the price yet. The customer supplied the part, so I'll get with him and I'll put that up there in the comments and let you know what it costs. But very affordable from what I understand. So. But hey, if you like what we're doing here, you know, hit the like button. Go on and subscribe to the channel. I would greatly appreciate it. And you know what? We'll catch you next time here in the Man Cave. Thanks for watching.